Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious immune boosting power smoothie. What better time? We're going through the COVID virus and it's a great time to stay healthy, build that immune system for you, for your kids, and I really hope that everybody out there is staying well. So this is pretty basic. You need some juice and frozen fruit. I've got some fantastic supplements I'm going to tell you about. Peanut butter, yogurt, agave, and I have been making smoothies since, well, when I started to get pregnant way back when. That was like my breakfast of choice. And then for my kids, I loved to give them smoothies, typically for breakfast because you can just load them with so much stuff. Great for their brain, great for their immune system. Right, Juliet? Yeah. So I will go ahead and get started. You need a blender. I put some ice, about a half a cup of ice to start with, and I'm going to fill this pretty full, and it's going to make like 3 big glasses of smoothie. I have some organic honey crisp apple juice. I do like apple juice for smoothies. Okay, and I love to freeze bananas. They're an affordable fruit and they're really healthy. So I put about 3/4 of a frozen banana, or put a whole one if you wish. Okay, you can use any frozen fruit you like. I typically love strawberries and blueberries. Raspberries kind of a little bit seedy, get stuck in your teeth. So strawberries, I'm going to put about a cup or so. And then some frozen blueberries, loaded with antioxidants, so good for your body. Okay, about half a cup of those. Okay, now, all my supplements that I take are from my brother's company. So I'm gonna give a little shout out to my awesome brother, Greg, who owns 7 Lights. He's been going strong for over 20 years, and these are some top-notch supplements. If you take the time to research the supplements that you're taking, you may find a lot of artificial ingredients. These are awesome. This is a beet red powder, concentrated beet powder, okay? It doesn't get any healthier than this. And it's not really strong. Like, you put it in a smoothie and you don't even taste it. So it's got a little scooper inside, so I put 1 full scoop of that. And I'm gonna put a link below to his website in case you're interested in ordering any of these fantastic supplements. Next, Heavenly Greens. Greens powder, so good for you. This is wheat and barley grass, 100% organic. Now, if you were to put this in a glass of water, you might not like the taste, but you throw it in a smoothie and you can't even taste it. So it's almost the bottom of the can, but a heaping tablespoon of that. Okay, and then flax seeds. Wonderful essential fatty acids, and I put a little less than a tablespoon of those. Always love peanut butter in my smoothies. So a nice spoonful of peanut butter. Got to use the finger to get it off because it's so sticky. Yum. Okay, next, vanilla yogurt. This is my absolute favorite. Vanilla whole milk, including probiotics, great for your gut health. I'm telling you guys, this is packed with nutrients. So just drizzle in about a, I don't know, 1/3 of a cup. Okay, and even though the fruit and the juice is sweet, for a little extra sweetness, I like agave. Okay, about a tablespoon. All right, and probably a little more juice. You may find once you start it that it's too thick and you might have to keep adding juice until you get your desired consistency. But there you go. Talking about health and wealth right there. Blend. Okay, look at that beautiful color. Yum. Like I said, about 3 glasses. So if this is like just for yourself, you probably want to cut the measurements in thirds, but there you go. Delicious, healthy, immune boosting power smoothie. Delicious. Go out and make it. Keep your family healthy. Everybody stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.